Hello, welcome to the first ever nature shoots. Each episode I'm going to take you through a natural, semi-natural landscape with the aim of giving a quick few-minute escape from whatever world you're living in into nature, and we'll see what we can find. This is a small patch of woodland on the edge of Bath University, and we'll just have a quick look around here because on the face of it, it doesn't look particularly interesting. But if you have a look down here, there we go, got some nice woodruff growing here. Beech with some sycamores pushing through. Just over here, a couple of weeks ago, this would have been covered in yellow flowers. That's some celandine, and then we've got the last of the bluebells. There's quite a nice one there. So the format's going to be a quick look around the area, and then we'll take you to a viewpoint, and we'll have a reading from a poem or a book to embrace the natural landscape. Oh, here we go, final one. Some lords and ladies. Okay, quick little addition. Got some, you can hear my kids ground ivy, all this kind of pink stuff. Sometimes it gets a bit mistaken for bugle, which is a kind of orchid. But over here, we go, just proving we're just on the edge of the university. And some mallow growing up there, some dock, some nettles, and in amongst it all, this little beauty. Beside this chicken wire fencing and the Bath bobsleigh skeleton bob training track is, some of you will already be there before me, Bath asparagus. Lots of stories around this stuff. Meant to be very tasty. Supposedly brought over by the Romans, I think. Only really grows around Bath on the west side. Anyway.
They shut the road through the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain have undone it again, and now you would never know. There was once a road through the woods. Before they planted the trees, it is underneath the coppice and heath and the thin anemones. Only the keeper sees that where the ringdove broods and the badgers roller tease, there was once a road through the woods. Yet, if you enter the woods of a summer evening late, when the night air cools on the trite ring pools, where the otter whistles his mate, they fear not men in the woods, because they see so few. You will hear the beat of the horse's feet and the swish of a skirt in the dew, steadily cantering through the misty solitudes, as though they perfectly knew the old lost road through the woods. But there is no road through the woods.